Apple Sprite.
Oh yeah, we got Sprites. Where's my ice?
Yeah, I don't have ice.
For a mango one, and you said that you should get the apple one.
Oh, well, there we go. They're not as fizzy as normal. Like it?
Excuse me.
I've got on brewing, don't you worry. What's your normal go-to Mackey's order then?
Every time I order Mackey's, I always get a Big Mac or a quarter pounder. The Big Mac has to have extra sauce and extra pickles. The quarter has to have extra mustard and extra pickles.
Pardon?
Pardon you.
Mine is a mayo chicken or a McChicken sandwich or a wrap. I think I don't do that because I don't do meat.
You always get the wraps.
We always get chicken.
I need to try the green one.
I'm
Sorry. Oh. Yeah, that's got a weird taste to it. Got me. Definitely don't think these are worth the extra money we've paid for them either.
No.